Manthan 2K24 TechFest at PSC on 13th and 14th September 2024 as a tribute to Sri Mokshagundam Vishwesvaraya Ji. A total of 24 technical and non-technical events has been organized and over 600 students has enthusiastically participated and more than 80 students has emerged as a winners, showcasing their exceptional skills and talent. A big round of applause to all the students and faculty members for their incredible efforts in making this TechFest a grand success. Please clap, students. Moving forward with the winners. First event, Break the Bridge. Third rank goes to Patil Disha, Vyas Priyanka and Neredi Akshaya. I request Professor Devanshi Makwana to please do the honors. Second rank goes to Waleja Arman and Waleja Aman. I request Professor Janvi Panchal to do the honors. First rank goes to Lakhera Shubham Chaudhary Bhargav and Prajapati Dipanshu. I request Dr. Jayesh Shah sir to please do the honors. Moving to the next event, Contact. Third rank goes to Sirvi Lalit, Shiv Singh and Jitendra Singh. I request Professor Janvi Panchal to do the honors. Second rank goes to Gamit Par, Pradhan Akash and Chauhan Krishna. I request Dr. Jayesh Shah sir to please do the honors. First rank goes to Mishra Sonali, Sharma Neha Kumari. I request Dr. Jayesh Shah sir to please do the honors. next event, Dream Home. First rank goes to Mishra Sonali and Sharma Neha. I request Professor Jhalak Shah ma'am. Next event, Aquacraft. First rank goes to Patil Disha, Vyas Priyanka and Heredity Akshaya. I request Professor Devanshi Makwana to do the honor. Second rank goes to Dhananjay Mahajan, Mukut Patil. I request Professor Hasti Ingrajia to please do the honor. First rank goes to Bhumika Nandkar. I request Professor Hasti Ingrajia to please do the honor. Moving forward to the event, Code Guru. Third rank goes to Dhanani Om. Second rank goes to Raite Rohit and first rank goes to Bhatt Dhruv Kumar. I request Professor Lisha Vasawa to do the honor. Moving to next event, Presentathon. Third rank goes to Patel Om, second rank goes to Gajera Braj and first rank goes to Chena Adarsh. I request Professor Lisha Vasawa to do the honor.
Good.
Moving to next event, Logocraft. First rank goes to Prajapati Kundan. I request Professor Priya Patel to do the honor. Moving to next event, Hack and Hunt. Third rank goes to Kataria Ravi Kumar. Second rank goes to Bhatt Dhruv and first rank goes to Cheta Real. I request Professor Priya Patel to do the honor. Next event, Circuit Designing. Second rank goes to Pawar Shubham Prasad Deva. I request Professor Nidika Patel to please do the honor. First rank goes to Mandole Manish and Sonar Tushar. Please stay students. You are also the winner of Begin Electrification, second rank Pawar Shubham, Prasad Deva, and first rank Mandole Manish and Sonar Tushar. I request Professor Nidhika Patel to do the honor again. Moving forward to next event, Assembler. Third rank goes to Krishna Yadav, second rank goes to Roshan Singh, and first rank goes to Dipanshu Prajapati. I request Professor Chaitanya Madrasi to do the honor. Moving to next event, Tool Gauger. Third rank goes to Girase Tushar, second rank goes to Lakhera Shubham, and first rank goes to Baranwal Chandrama. I request Professor Chaitanya Madrasi to do the honor. Moving to next event, CAD War Mechanical. Second rank goes to Gupta Shekhar and first rank goes to Chaudhary Pratik. I request Professor Vipul Moradia, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, to do the honor. Moving to next event, CAD War Civil. Third rank goes to Gamit Park, second rank goes to Patel Meet, and first rank goes to Birade Pragya. I request Professor Devanshi Makwana to do the honor. Moving forward to model making, 3R concept. First rank goes to Kantaria Khushi, Bhagar Pooja, and Yadav Priya. I request Professor Hiral Sisar to do the honor. स्टूडेंट्स तालियां नहीं बज रही है. Moving forward to poster making, 3R. First rank goes to Rawat Neha, Prajapati Kavita, Chaurasia Rani. I request Professor Tanvi Talsania to do the honor. Moving to next event, board mass. Third rank goes to Bhati Rahul, second rank goes to Bhatt Dhruv Kumar, first rank goes to Cheta Real. I request Professor Tanvi Talsania to do the honor. Moving to next event, photography. Third rank goes to Rupawala Alice. Second rank goes to Verma Rajan. First rank goes to Parmar Jay. I request Professor Jhalak Shah, Head of Civil Engineering Department, to do the honor. Moving to next event, PUBG Mobile. Second rank goes to Vasawa Mehul, Chaudhary Nathan, Chaudhary Diptesh, and Chaudhary Abhinav. I request Professor Neil Dimmer to do the honor. First rank goes to Vishwakumar Megha, Jani Parva, Paperwala Prince and Patel Hard. Moving to next event, Free Fire. Second rank goes to Ranjit Singh, Tank Vikas, Tiwari Amit and Rathod Abhay. First rank goes to Parmar Jay, More Yash, Maurya Shivam and Singh Hare Ram. I again request Professor Neil Dimmer to do the honor. Moving to next event, Treasure Hunt. Third rank goes to Om Girase, Shinde Chetan, Vasawa Dhruv, Pandey Shivam, Mahale Vishal, Bhoy Krishna, Roth Smruti Ranjan. I request Professor Vruti Patel to do the honor. Second rank goes to Devani Pari, Munjapara Mysuri, Vankar Ritaben, Kamble Swapnil, Sharma Annu, Rana Pramila and Yadav Riya. I again request Professor Vruti Patel to do the honor for second rank. First rank goes to Rathod Abhay, Patil Hardik, Sheikh Kurban, Siddhpura Om, Chaurasya Dipanshu and Gupta Divyansh. Moving to next event, poster presentation, Civil Engineering Department. First rank goes to Patil Disha, Patel Meet, Parmar Jay. I request Professor Jhalak Shah to do the honor. Moving next to poster presentation, Electrical Engineering Department. First rank goes to Patel Vaibhavi, Patel Nirav, Gupta Rahul, Rai Piyush. I request Professor Priyanka Lat to do the honor. Moving to next event, poster presentation mechanical. First rank goes to Lakhera Shubham, Gupta Shekhar, Pandey Raj, Swain Shubham, Patil Jatin. I request Professor Nilkant Panwala sir to please do the honor. I request all the audience to please clap for all the winners of Manthan 2024. Thank you, sir.